friends, in this video I will be telling you that how to make this CNC machine. So to make this I have used 3 stepper motors, 3 stepper motor driver, 1 Arduino Uno, 1 breadboard and some jumper wires. So I have 3D printed these all parts, and I will give this 3D printed parts in the description link, so you can also download from there. Then this is the Arduino Uno, breadboard and 3 drivers for the stepper motors. So these are the stepper motors, and this is the pen that I have hooked up in this holder so that it will draw, and it will draw using these 2 axes. And now I will show you the software for this, then I will show you that how this works. So I have connected this using this connection cable, and I will give the circuit diagram also in the description link, so you can use that for the reference. So now let's see that what is the software to be used. So for the command I am using the UGS platform, Universal G-code sender, and I have just connected the Arduino, and I have uploaded the Gerbil file inside this, the code for that. So you can just Google Gerbil, and this is the Gerbil file that you can upload it there, and I will give the link in the description so you can visit that. Then this is the UGS that I am using for the image to give the command. Then what I am doing is I will go to a image for square. So I have downloaded an image for square, and I have downloaded Inkscape. Open that. Once it's opened, you will just go to file, open that image, open. So this is the image, and I will just click on this, and then go to file, save as SVG. So I will give it square 1, save. And then go to Chrome, search for JS Cut. Then click open settings in local, and I will give you a document in the description. You can download that document settings from there. Inside this downloads, I have this settings.jcut. So I open that, then open the SVG file that we just now created. Go to documents, square, open that and click that square, so it will convert into a blue line, and then click create operation, generate. Then after clicking that, you can click on save G-code, and you can rename the G-code from here and save it as local file. So now this is downloaded. Then you can go to the UGS platform. Then you can do after connecting it, you can do machine, setup wizard, and you can choose your COM number and port rate, connect. So now it's connecting, so it's successfully connected. Next, do it 100, 150, then next and finish. So now that is connected, and then you can open the file like this mile square that I have downloaded. Open. So this square is ready. Now I will show you that how this works when I run this. So I will just run it here. So now let's check it.